Morning, it's Tuesday, July 15th, 2014. Just getting the mail and we're going to the store. Okay, we're on our way to the market. Battery's almost dead in this. I forgot to switch it. Okay, here we are at the market. Okay. All that's left is the Cheetos. I don't even know why we left on this trip. Yeah, my mom's in a bad mood today. There's that Kippy cat. Hi, Kippy. I don't know why he's hanging out over there. Anyway, I'm going to put this back together again. I've had the clip that I sent away for on the bottom, so it doesn't matter if I have this together. I'm probably going to have to buy some screws. Okay, on our way home, got my mom her Cheetos, Robert's soda, got me some chocolate milk, and we got 2 gallons of water. I don't know, I'm going to try to put the rest of the washer together, I think, today. There's a clip-on order. I'm probably going to need more screws that were rusted out. Yeah, Robert's office here. He still hasn't cleaned that up. It's dark as can be still. I got to put this wire back in this cabinet. I'm figuring out how I took it out. I think that solved the mystery of what this thing is. Okay, I'm going to clean this up. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, it goes together like that. Pretty simple. And that little thing comes in and hits it. I still see the marks from the clips. Remember, there are 2 clips. Here they are. 2 screws. I'll get this together. I actually had it backwards. This is how it goes. So this pushes down. That pushes on the button. Okay, this plastic thing goes in there too. And it keeps it in line spaced out right, and it folds over later. Clips on. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, that's pretty simple. There's one clip about right there. Holds that in. Another clip right here. It just holds these wires in. And then it comes up through the top and it clips in right there. I gotta wash this off too with Windex or something. Then it grounds to the top. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna try to get all these little parts together. At the time I took this apart, we didn't have any Ziploc bags, but now I've got some. Hopefully the animals didn't eat any of the bolts or knock them everywhere. Get the hiccups. Okay, I got what I think is all of them, I hope. Stick them over there. I seem to be missing a square plate. I don't know if it ever had one. It's not here. I'm going to vacuum this area. I don't know how all this crap, I guess it fell out of the washer. That's weird, a metal piece. It must be part of the adjuster or something. I don't know. Everything's so rusty. Really don't know what that's for. I'm gonna have to figure that out too. Okay, I'm gonna vacuum this, stand it up, and put the front part on. Okay, that's all vacuumed. This here should be the front, if I remember correctly. Well, it has to be because that hose is leading out to the back. I know that's supposed to have a plate. Don't know why there's no plate here. Kind of weird. Alright, now I'll vacuum this area. I'm going to work on it. I gotta somehow clip those wires so that they don't like roll around. And one clip, that's probably where they came from. I don't see any clip marks though. Oh well. I'll clean this up. Okay, looking good. I'm going to just clean the top of this with Windex. It's disgusting. And I gotta look back on my videos and see if I can see where this wire was clipped. I don't see anywhere where that metal plate would go. Might not even be for this, maybe just something somebody dropped. I see how that back piece goes. The hose drops down through there. This other thing clips onto the back of that, right there, and the back thing. I would think there'd be another plate, but actually it doesn't make sense that there wouldn't be. So let's have to figure that out. Okay, I found the plate. It was still on the top of this assembly. I'm surprised this doesn't leak, to be honest with you. Huh, weird. Okay. Maybe they have it caulked or something. Okay, that's somewhat better. Okay, back for this for a bit. I got 4 screws to screw the lid on this thing. You can see how bent up this is. This is why it was loose when I took it apart in the first place. Maybe I can bend some of this more straight. Whoever, somebody really bent it up when they were putting it in. That's why it was loose when it was laying there. It's only sheet metal though, I could probably bend it halfway straight. Okay, that's all screwed on. That was a pain. I'm going to try to straighten this before I bring it in there. Especially right here, it's kind of bowed out. Alright, we'll see. I guess I gotta click some tab things into these. They don't seem to be there. Here's one in the back. Here's one. They're all bent. No wonder they don't work. There's 2 bent ones. There's one in the back. I guess it goes on and then they bend over or something. It's messed up. Didn't really design this front piece to come off. Yeah, this is really messed up. I should probably get some Tech screws instead of using these stupid bend tabs. I just bent these straight. I guess that one looks a little crooked. I'll bend that one back. That's just a stupid way to secure this. Yeah, maybe I'll just get some Tech screws. Tech screws are self-drilling screws. You put them in, they drill themselves a little hole. and they stay in. I guess that's how it's designed. This thing just leans forward and comes right off. Forward. And you're supposed to lean back and along these little slots of the tabs. That's so bent. I'm gonna get a flashlight so we can see if it's going into the tab over there. I go down to get the flashlight. My mom's still complaining about her phone. And I'm probably not even the one who lost it. Her phone's been missing. Okay, those tabs are in. Apparently, yeah, the front just hooks over like it is underneath, and then these tabs come in, and then when you bolt down this back plate, it holds the whole thing down, so there's no screws at all on the main sides. And you take the back part off, and the whole front part, you can just like lean it forward and the whole thing just pops right out. Very weird. Cheesy. Alright. So I just have to, I'm going to go look at my films and see where the heck that hooks. Maybe it hooks right up there on the motor. I don't think so though. And then I gotta put the rest of this together in the back. I still need to replace that clip. Okay, clean this a little bit with Windex on the back. Put this control panel back on. Well, I guess this just lays in there too. That's stupid. Little indentation for the wires to run down. Very weird the way they have this. Okay, I guess that's a shared ground. I'm going to have to take that off and hook this one into it with it. Yeah, now the fun part, figuring this out. I just don't see what would hold this down. I might need to get tech screws. There's no screws on the top. Well, there's one screw right there. 2 screws. But they don't screw into anything. As far as here. Really stupid. I got one of these bizarre clips in. This is really whacked. It's got these, I don't know why they did it this way, it's really screwy. Pretty sure I got those right. Gotta find the other clip. Not sure where this goes yet. Well, this looks promising. Kind of goes in here. And it holds that hose in one spot. Great. Well, I'm going to have to do that from underneath because I'm not taking this stupid thing off. It's like a darn Rubik's Cube. This is insane. Yeah, I guess I'll have to take this off. This is really stupid how this is. Really, really stupid. Jeez. Okay, I finally got this stupid plastic thing on. There's like 2 little tabs this thing lays on. And these are just laying on their tabs. It's just going to come right off, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Everything else is hooked up. I'm still missing that clip. This clip, it's kind of bizarre how this goes. Clips in there to hold this in. And there's another one which I can't find. Reaching inside is like slitting your wrist here. It's insane. I keep cutting myself on the darn hole on that stupid plastic thing. Okay. Everything up here is hooked up. If I can find that clip, then I can close up this. I still don't know what that stupid thing is. A hose holder or something. That might be from the outside, actually. That just fell out of nowhere. Might have been one of the things laying behind the washer. Alright, I just got to clip these two clips on. I'm really not sure what's going to hold this down. It just has to be held down onto those tabs. But I'm going to use tech screws if I have to from underneath. I'll have to jack this up carefully. This is enough to make you not want to be in the appliance business, that's for sure. Now here you can see this this bent side keeps popping out of its tab. There's really nothing to screw this down. That's what's really weird. There should be a screw here underneath. I'm going to at least put two tech screws underneath. It's really bizarre that there aren't any. Tabs just lay there and nothing really holds this down. You know, the only thing it's going to be held down by is when the top is screwed in. That's not really holding it down at all. Defect. Okay, the clips are in. I guess that makes the manufacturing process faster or something. Okay, it's just these screws that go at an angle. Put one in already. Going at like a 45-degree angle for the control top. Another stupid idea. They should screw in from the back. They should have a separate panel for all this stuff. It's really ridiculous. Okay. It's almost a washer again. Gotta put some stuff underneath. Got one wire, I gotta clip it away somewhere. And I gotta secure the bottom so the sides don't fall off somehow. Okay. Maybe there are some screws underneath that I forgot about. But I don't see them. I'll jack it up and look. Yeah, there's no screw holes. There's a little hole there, but that was actually to hold that clip, that wire clip. But as you can see, the darn side is all bent. This is why I've been having a tough time putting this together. And when I took it out, that's why it fell apart in my hands when I took it out from the wall without even any tools. Well, I'm going to have to bend that back for sure. And then I'm going to have to put some kind of screw in there, at least on this end. Put one there and one there. Actually, the pressure gets held from the top, but it's really not enough. These are so cheesy. They don't make them like they used to. Even the metal's cheesier. Oh, no problem bending that back. I'll find my sledgehammer. I wash my hands like 1,000 times. Okay, I gotta put this on and I'll clamp it from underneath. I'll clamp the other hose to it. It's a pain. Well, if I made a washing machine, if I had a washing machine factory, I'd make all stainless. Easy to work on. Put all these people right out of business. Alright, now that's hooked up. Everything's cool now, as far as I know. Okay, I'm gonna take a break and get some coffee. Well, my mom made some ribs. I don't know why she has them cooking in a stew pot. No, you boiled the ribs?
I didn't boil them.
How come they're in a stew pot?
That's in a stove pot.
Huh. You're supposed to like broil them and stuff.
Well, let's do that with